Hello everyone. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Google Drive. To know how to find the solution about Google Drive app, you should just go to settings. Here in this page, we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you will enter to Google Drive app and you will click as you see here. In this page, you will search about it. After that, we click for stop and we click OK. Here we'll enter to storage. Then we click clear cache, and in the end you can go to your airplane mode. You can turn on and you can wait a moment to turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem you have on Google Drive. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.